Hi friend, good morning, one and all. I will explain today DML. DML stand for Data Manipulation Language. Data Manipulation Language. We will be taken DML. DML is a stand for Data Manipulation Language. It will be shift. Data manipulation is it will be store the data will be the temporary memory is called as a data manipulation language. It will store the data, store the store the data, will store the data temporary. It will store the data temporarily in database. Is called as DML commands. DML is to store the data temporarily in the database. We will in the table. Sorry, in the table. To store the data, will just to store the data temporarily in the database. Okay. Is called as a command. For example, syntax is I have explanation syntax. How to work, how to insert. Insert is it will it will it will insert the record from the table. Is called as insert. It will syntax now. Syntax now. Syntax is insert into table name, insert into table name, name table name, the you can use values, insert the values, record, insert the value, column, column 1, comma, column 2, comma, column 3, up to and so on. This is the syntax. This is the syntax. Next, I will query explanations for examples of first query is first query. First query is first one question. To insert the value, write a query, to insert the value, so, let's say insert the value insert the values of all values of employee table. Okay, understood? I will explanation this one. Insert into employee table values. Insert the values is 101 comma, some names is there, and is because of is comma. Otherwise, this one is also okay. And another one is some now down. This one implies some records is there. Okay, friend. 102 comma B comma is insert into employee table values 103 comma C comma S. S is for examples of, we will take numbers is the integer values 25, and another one is 27, another one is we will be take some age values in the integer 25 something now. another way we will take this one now. uh, insert into employee values one not one comma a comma 25 one not two comma b comma 27 one not three comma c comma 25. This work is saved as this work is one by one records. You will be insert the value. If it is group the value only one group the values, you will take this one insert the values imply tables another way.
రాజశేఖర్ పక్కన ఖాళీ ఉంది కదా, రాజశేఖర్ పక్కన ఖాళీ లేదు. హాస్పిటల్కి ఎట్లాగా ఇప్పుడు ఎట్లా వెళ్తాం, అడ్మిట్ చేస్తావా లేదా పరిస్థితి? అడ్మిట్ షీట్లు తెచ్చుకోకుండా నేను కొట్టిద్దామా లేదా, షీట్ రాకపోతే ఎవడో పట్టుకెళ్ళడం నారాయణ నెంబర్ ఉందా, షీట్ తెచ్చి కూర్చొని పెట్టి రేపు కొట్టిద్దాము. ఈరోజు డేట్ 17 16 రాబోతుంది. 500 రావు నీకు వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు ఈసారి.
Sorry for disturbance. Created values explanations to create the values. Examples of create the value. Create database. Create database. Organization. using where color of 20. Age is integer, data type is integer. To insert the value, insert into employee values 101 comma a age is 25 102 comma b age is 27 103 comma c age is 25. We will be execute this comments. This is successful now. We will display the values. Display the value. Check it your side. If you are checked this one, comments is the select star from employee. Understood? Understood? Is 101, 102, 103. C age is 25, 27, 25. I will display this one table now. Select start from employee. Display the values. Okay. Next topic will be conditions. How to update. update the table. Update the table. Update the table. Update the how to update it. Update the update the data. Okay. Bro, pulita bro response. To update the any values from the records. Is called as update. To update any to update the any values from 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 the table is called as a update. To update the any values from the table is called as update. Syntax is syntax syntax is update update table. Table name is update table. I update table name. Update table name set keyword. You can use the set keyword and variable one equal to value one. The one way. Another way is update table name set values set operator value variable one equal to value one. For where conditions you can use the where condition. Where condition is nothing but is to filter the values. To filter the value. Variable 2 equal to value 2 is another way. And update table name set the value variable 1 equal to value 1 where condition you can use the where condition value variable 2 equal to value 2 and variable 3 equal to value 3. Another way. This one is another way. You can use syntax one. First one is this one. This is the set values. You only use the set values. Is this one update the update table. Another way is we can use this one set the values for particular condition, we can use the update the table. Another way we can use this one also as well as same working this one also update the value. Okay. For examples of to update the records is there. Update table name is emp, set value is you will change the value. If it is change the value, age is you will change the value in age is 27. 27 will be take the we will take the value and change the 24. Set age equal to 24. Okay. Because we change this one now. Insert the table here. All records here 24. That's why in this work it will not take in the particular condition because you will take the age value is 24. If it is change the value is there. Change the value is update table name is employee, set the value in age equal to 24. Which condition will be change the value 25? Sorry, 27 it will be take the value 27 where is equal to 27. Will be change the value 27 is we convert the we will update the value is it will be 27. We will use 27. We will update the value is 24. Okay. Only one row affected completes the time this one. Okay, we will check if it is check the records now. Select start from employee. We will be select the display of the values. We will change this one now 24. Before that it will be 27. To update the value is 24. Another way is update EMP the values age equal to 24, where age equal to 27, and set the value is age equal to 25. Where conditions, you can use the where condition. Age equal to 26. Once again, this table is dropped now. One time, another time it will be editing this one now. Okay, it will be check this one, update the values. We will be take this one once again. I think this one is command is error. That's it. This is because okay. Think age in 24 comma 25. Why did we change the value equal to 24? Okay. E name equal to which one will we take? Age and E name is C. It will be changed one. This one query is executed. One row affected because it is execution of display of the records now. C is 25. We will be change update the value is 25. C is 25. Okay. Okay, friend, understood? Can understood, friend? Just one explanation, so delete the table now. Delete. How to delete now? How to delete now? To remove the value, from the table. From the table is called as delete. Is called as delete. To remove the values from the table is called as delete. Syntax, we can use the syntax now. Delete, delete from table name, where, so delete from table name. One examples. Another one is for where condition. You can use the where condition. Column 1 equal to where column 1 equal to columns. You can use the columns. Switching text. Table from the syntax is table from table name where condition you can use. Okay. In particular condition you can removing of the values. It is called as a delete. Examples of delete from table name is implied by the table. For where condition you can use the where conditions. Column is age. Column is age. Okay, age equal to each one 24. This delete the record from the table. This employee table to particular record is age is 24. That record is deleted. This condition, this is the 103C24 record is delete from the table. If you check it once again, display the table. Record is 103 is delete, removing of table. Now inside the table removing this records. 103 records is removing from the table. Okay. Next one is DQL. DQL is nothing but to display the table, to display the any of the table from the database. DQL stands for data query language. What is a DQL? DQL stand for friend? Data query language. The data will be the data will be the, the table will be display from the database is called as DQL. Okay, friend, I understood DQL commands. What is the DQL command? The table will be displayed from the database is called as DQL. Syntax is select is the command. Select the syntax is select from the table. This is the select commands is the DQL. DQL stands for data query language. For examples of can use for examples of select start from table. Select start from EMP. Nothing but employee table to employ the table from the display of all records. Asterisk is nothing but all the records. To display the all record. Okay, friend, understood? Okay, friend, understood? Some examples we take some examples now. Select SID comma SNAME comma S from table name is EMP. This one condition and another one condition is select start from EMP where we can use the where condition SID equal to 1 or 2. This one condition EID equal to 1 or 2. Employee table, you will take employee table because it has EID. Okay. First condition is it will be select. If we take this one now, select. Already you will be take this one now. Select commands is the all records is. For example, so you will be take. Because why is if it is selected, if it is display of the values, we will be take select commands is select is DQL, that query language is command. This is a select is DQL, select command to display of the all records. Okay, you will be execute now display of the all records. Okay, next one will be taken select SID, select SID comma S from table name is EMP. Why it is error now? Okay, this is the we will be taking EID because that's it. Okay, S EID and S. Otherwise, EID name. Okay. For example, so you will be salary is taken, but it is not satisfied. Why it is not satisfied? We will be create the table age is not salary is not will be not created. That's it. That is because it now is error. Why it is error now? Once again check it. Invalid column name salary, because salary is not create the column because it is not satisfy the salary. Okay. Okay, understood. Next one is particular records you will be take of the value will be we will be take the value from the display of table. Select start from EMP where EID equal to 101. Okay, because we will be where condition, it can be used where condition for particular records is display of the value. 101 record is A25 is record is display of the values. Okay, and another one is some examples of we will be take this one now. In conditions 101 comma 103, the record is we will be take the record executed. 101 and 103 will be display of the values. Okay, once we check it once again now. Okay, friend. 101 and 103 is recorded as a display of the value. Next one is TCL. TCL stands for Transaction Controlling Language. Control language. The transaction language is nothing but a transaction. The transaction will be, we will be take the table, we will be take the record in the table from permanent data is called as TCL. It is take the value, it is taking the value, it is taking the value from the table from permanently save, save is called as TCL. To it is take the values from the table from permanent save, value from permanent save is called as TCL. TCL syntax now, I will explanations. Syntax. Syntax commit. First one is commit. Second one is roll back. Roll back. Save point. Sorry for disturbance. Anna. హలో అన్నా రాలేదన్నా ఓకే అన్నా ఏమన్నా డేట్ వచ్చిందనా? ఓకే అన్న, చూసుకుంటాను ఒకసారి చూసుకుంటాను. సరే అన్న, సరే అన్న. ఓకే. సారీ ఫర్ డిస్టర్బెన్స్. I mean, I got it now. Without commit, can't we can't use delete from rollback. Without using commit, we can't use delete from rollback. For example, we will be take the rollback. We cannot use this one commit. We cannot, this is the rollback is not record is not saved, because you can use compulsory if compulsory it is mandatory from the commit from the table is using the delete from the rollback. Okay, friend, understood? Examples of commit, delete from table name is EMP, where conditions EID equal to 1 or 2. Examples, you take the value is 1 or 2, and will be immediately to roll back will be take immediately commit the command. We will be take the value. We will be take the command is commit. Okay, then we will be take the value is that's it. This one is rollback and commit. After we will be take the value is save point, save point after then we will be execute this one now or save the points. Okay, for example, we will be take the value is execution this one now. Why it is error? Commit transactions request has no corresponding begin transaction. Why? Will we take this one now? First one is commit is execution now. Complete. The commit transaction request has no corresponding begin transaction. Why it is begin transaction? So Yeah, 0 is recorded, 102 is deleted. Why? 1 second, check it. Yeah, 102 is not record is there because this one is record is not executed. If it is take this one now 103, okay, commit, we will be take the values commit now. Transaction request has no begin the transaction. Okay, after you will be take this one to delete the value is the one row is affected. To take the row back, we take commit times is executed. 104. 104. This command is the executed now. This is not satisfied in the SQL server. Otherwise, you will be take the commands. Commands is there. That work is now. Uh, that tools. It is not satisfied in this SQL server. That's because it is not execution SQL server. Okay, thank you, friend. And save point. Save point is as well as save point. What is a save point? We will be take the value is save point a from save point a and save point b to save the value a point a row and b row is executed now, and we will save the tables. After we will be the values is roll back to a. Then you can use commit, then use roll back. This one, this one is TCL commands is there. Next one is DCL. DCL stand for data controlling language. Data control language. data controlling language. The data that the data will be the record will be taken permission of the table is called as DCL. The record will be taken permission from the table is called as DCL. How many types of record DCL? Two types of DCL. First one is grant. Second one is revoke. Grant is nothing but it will be take the value inside. Grant is nothing but it is if it is take the records will be given permission from the table is called as a revoke from the table like that as insert, delete, insert, delete, and update. Update the value from the table. From the table is called as grant. Different examples now. Examples now. Grant, insert, update on database name, student, username. From the table name, username is called as grant and revoke. Examples of this one. This is the syntax. This is the syntax. Examples. examples of grant, insert, comma, update on emp dot employee to dot emp dot ename to c. This one, and grant revoke, we will be take revoke. Sorry for disturbance. Okay. This one is revoke. Insert, comma, update on emp dot ename from table from C. Okay. It's a grant and revoke. After you will be take the value is create user name. Create user is C. Identify by at the rate 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one is we will be take the values. This one what? Okay. This one will be education. This one no. We will take comments. Once again, drop the table now. Will be education. This one table. Okay. Bro. Oh bro, Dore bro. you check it once again. 1 minute. Okay. Grant select permission on a table. for database security and administration. The grant and revoke statements are used control what action user can perform on database action object. Grant statement is used to assign a specific privileging to user. This allows admission to define what actions a user can perform while the database. The database for your grant statements is all followed. When this class will explanations grant and revoke. This is grant and revoke. Next class will explanations. Okay, thank you, friend. One and all. Please subscribe and like button.